What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got another one in. Well, I got another one coming into the Ryker hospital. This guy is having no luck with his Ryker whatsoever in New York City. Forget about it. This thing is getting abused. So he's coming in today, and we're gonna try to get him back on the right track with something real cool. So I'm gonna take a ride over to the shop, and we're gonna start the work. I'll be posting a previous video, a link to the video of what happened to his Ryker before we start the work on it now. So just look out, watch that video first so you get an understanding of what happens. And then, yo, remember, if you want some cool merch, scooter, motorcycle, Ryker, hit up below. I got stuff in my Etsy store. So like, follow, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and let's head out to the Ryker hospital. Well, just to give you guys an idea, popping off the fender is easy work. It's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's like a clip there with 2 wires, one for your turn signal and the other wires go to the sensor. So taking the fender off is real easy work, so it's not hard. And a lot of people are riding around without fenders. They're calling it the No Fender Gang. It's getting a little popular now, so this is the first one I've done in New York. So let's see if it becomes a trend out here. Alright, when you remove the fenders, you're going to be left with these wires here. So this is going to be your turn signal wire. This is going to be the connection to your sensors. So of course, once you remove the 4 bolts, go underneath, remove these wires that we clipped on. Now you have to clean up the area here because you're going to reattach the wires to the A-arm. And then we're going to run them to our newly designed turn signals, so we'll be able to be seen when we hit the turn signal, right? That's what's important. Alright, so we came in. We're going to do a no fender gang. We're going to do a full fender delete. We got the fenders removed, but we are going to replace them with turn signals. So once we remove the fenders, we're going to reattach all the loose wiring. Then we're going to wire up ourselves a set of turn signals and switch back. This way you'll be able to see when they put on their turn signals. No Fender Gang. And we got turn signals. That's a reverse. Everything working. Fenders are gone.